Hey everyone, so this is another car that has failed to do an oil change. It has 28,000 miles on it, and there's your freaking cap, and there's your oil fill hole. Look at all that goodness up in there. Yeah, that's the good stuff right there. Nice and sludgy. We're about to drain this and see how it drains. Let's do it. Oh, let's see this oil. Oh. Ow. Oh yeah, this is the first oil change. Yeah, this is the first oil change. It's still got the original ring on it. Yeah, it's still got the original ring on it. This is the first oil change they've had. Look at this. Hold up. Here we go. Oh, that's some good stuff there. Oh yeah.
Chopped in middle.
That's awesome. That is awesome stuff right there. So this is what well, at least this ain't no 75,000 mile oil change like the last video I did. Hold up, we about to get it closer. Let's check this. First oil change in 28,000 miles. Yeah, I was gonna do that. On a Kia Soul.
Is this your 17 room?
Yeah. Woo. Nice and dirty. Alright. Oh, look. I hit something or something, maybe not. Alright. Woo, look at that. Yummy. That is yummy. Gross. So again, change your oil. Oh crap.